Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online classes of business studies. Myself Padmaja. As we were learning in the last class about the three policies of the government of economic policy 1991, and later we have learned the topic demonetization, which was also a part of this chapter, that is business environment. As in the by the topic demonetization, you came to know that those businessmen who were able to know, who had did the pre-scanning of this big change by the government demonetization, they had made the pre-scanning, they were able to cope up with the situation and to survive till now. But that time, when demonetization came, many of the companies were stopped and closed totally because they were not able to come out from the problem of demonetization. Maybe that companies were not able to prove what way they had earned the income in a big way to the government. So because of that, that was the demonetization, that was good for many, and for many that was a bad impact. So now we will be learning one more, the last topic of the chapter, that is impact of government policy changes on in business and industry. This topic will help us to know what was the result of government policy, that was liberalization, privatization and globalization, on the economy of our nation as well as on the businessman of our nation. The policy of liberalization, privatization and globalization of the government has made a significant impact on the working of enterprises in business and industry. The Indian corporate sector has come face to face with several changes due to government policy changes. These challenges can be explained as follows. Increasing competition. As a result of changes in the rules of industrial licensing and entry of foreign firms, competition for Indian firms has increased, especially in service industries like telecommunications, airlines, banking, insurance, etc., which were earlier in the public sector. More demanding customers. Customers today have become more demanding because they are well informed. Increased competition in the market gives the customers wider choice in purchasing better quality of goods and services. Rapidly changing technological environment. Increased competition forces the firms to develop new ways to survive and grow in the market. New technologies make it possible to improve machines, process, products and services. The rapidly changing technological environment creates tough challenges before smaller firms. Necessity for change. In a regulated environment of pre-1991 era, the firms could have relatively stable policies and practices. After 1991, the market forces have become turbulent, as a result of which the enterprises have to continuously modify their operations. So, business and industry, the whatever the impact we have learned till now, that was 4 points. Let us have the explanation of that. Increasing competition on business and industry, the very first thing came by this by this liberation, privatization and globalization. The economic policy of 1991 was increased competition. Businessmen who were doing the business only for survival, now they have faced increased competition. As number of companies increased, globalization was done. The businessman not only doing business for survival, but also they started doing the business in a competitive way so as to be in the market. So that was the thing, increase the competition among the peoples. The next thing was more demanding customer. As more number of industries set up, more varieties of products came in the market, the demand for the customers, the choice for the customer also has been increased. So that was the cause brought by the second thing brought by the economic policy, that was more demanding customers came in the market. They started demanding for new varieties of product. As the technology increased, number of industry increased, a choice came before the customers. Rapidly changing technological environment. In this particular point, it has been stated that technological environment was also changed by this economic policy. As in India, technology was zero. But later, because of this economic policy, new technology came in the market. People came to know about the technology, and they had later changed the standard of living of the people. And to increase the standard of living, they want more and more technology to be brought in the country, which can make their work to be easier and can help them to live a simple living and easy living. Increased competition forces the firms to develop new ways to survive and grow in the market. As technology was brought by the companies, new competition started to bring more good technology as compared to other companies. So that was the impact of economic policy. Necessity for change, it becomes the need for the industry to bring the change, to accept the change, so has to be the part of the market. In the regulatory environment of pre-1991 era, the firms could have relatively stable policy and practices. But after 1991, the market forces have become turbulent. The changes have to be accepted and brought by the industries. Need for developing human resource. Indian enterprises have suffered for long with inadequately trained personnel. The new market conditions require people with higher competence and greater commitment. As the need for developing human resource was brought by the economic policy in 1991. So need was there to develop the human factor so as to they can work with the new technology, the new way of working, and they can promote the industry as well as they can increase the income of the industry. Market orientation. Earlier firms used to produce first and go to the market for sale later. In other words, they had production oriented marketing operation. Means whatever production will be done, whatever quantity it was done, it has to be sold in the market. In a fast changing world, there is a shift to market orientation in as much as the firm have to study and analyze the market first and produce goods accordingly. It means now the producer have understand that importance of resources, and later they find that the goods must be produced according to the customer needs and requirement, otherwise there will be wastage of resources. So that time the economic policy 1991 given birth to market orientation. It means the producer oriented economy has been converted into market oriented economy, and that time the kingpin of the market become from producer, it has been converted to customer. Loss of budgetary support to the public sector. The central government budgetary support for financing the public sector outlays has declined over the years. The public sector undertakings have realized that in order to survive and grow, they have to be more efficient and generate their own resources for the purpose. On the whole, the impact of government policy changes, particularly in respect of liberalization, privatization, and globalization, has been positive, as the Indian business and industry has shown great resilience in dealing with the new economic order. Indian enterprises have developed strategies and adapted business processes and procedures to meet the challenge of competition. They have become more customer focused and adapted measures to improve customer relationship and satisfaction. So that was the impact of economic policy 1991, which we have learned, and the chapter gets over, that is business environment. So may I think the points are clear to people. Why the what is business environment, how the way business environment help the businessman to cope up in this competitive world and to survive for a longer period of time. So that was the chapter business environment. This chapter is very important, short but very important from the board exam point of view. Thank you.